Another tool that he picked up is a nice,
Put your hand on there.
yeah, no, I'm good. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. Over here at Prestons again, nice sunny day here in the Northwest. Today we are going to be putting a sticker on his truck, doing something else to his truck, as well as starting today's video off with a giveaway, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we hop into today's video, we're going to start it off with a giveaway. So let's get this box opened up. So this is another sponsor on the channel, which is Hot Shot Secrets. There'll be a link down below. So first we got this engine restoration and lubricant. Big old 2 quarts of it. And then we got some everyday diesel treatment. And then we got some Diesel Extreme concentrated system cleaner. And then lastly, we got some FR3, which is a friction reducer, and 1 quart of it. Alright guys, so we're doing a completely free giveaway. If you want to win this complete care package, all you have to do is subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, follow Hot Shot Secrets on Instagram, and then comment done on the giveaway post, and you're entered to win. That's simple as that. And we'll pick one of you guys randomly to win a care package like this. So go down below and click the link to get entered. So you got his P&W Cummins sticker next to the nice Never Satisfied sticker. DM me on Instagram if you guys want to pick one of those up. But this is Preston's new truck page. Well, I guess it's not new. He's had it for a while now, but you want to tell him a little bit about it?
It's Pacific Northwest Cummins. I started in April. I post all Cumminses. There's other stickers. This one's a custom built sticker. I only have a couple of them, mainly because I wanted to be unique, so it was knowing I'm the guy behind it. Because we do have some on Instagram that like to copy our pages. But if you want one, DM me and I'll get you hooked up.
You post Cummins? What?
I post Cummins.
Huh.
Try to do some truck meets here and there. We did one, it turned out okay. We'll try to get another one, but our schedules aren't the easiest to work with.
Because he works a lot, I work a lot. This sun's ruining the shot here, but if you guys want to pick up a sticker for yourself, DM it on Instagram. It's P&W Cummins. Check it out. Preston picked up a new impact. I forgot to mention it. Nice snap-on impact. This thing will break off anything you got. Nice, powerful. He put the little tiny condom on it, which is like a slip-on thing to kind of protect and keep it all clean. But yeah, it's a nice tool. Another tool that
Put
he
your hand
picked
there.
up is a nice,
Put your hand on there.
yeah, no, I'm good. So here's another tool he picked up. It's an air hammer. Air chisel, whatever you want to call it, but two of his new tools that he picked up to add to his massive collection of Snap-on tools. I'd say he's addicted to a good quality tool, which obviously Snap-on puts out. Yes, they're expensive, but like I always say, you get what you pay for. Alright, so next up we got another sponsor for the channel, which are these little guys right here. These are called jam handles. I have them on my truck as well. You might have seen in the video of my build list. They just go on the inside of the doors. Jam handle, preserve your paint. I'll put a link to these down below. These things are awesome. Like I said, you put them on the inside of the door, and then you use these, you put your fingers in here to close them instead of using the outside of your door, so that way if you have a really nice truck, or you just wash it, you don't want to put fingerprints on it, keep all your friends' grimy fingers off your paint. These things come in clutch, and they're really awesome. So they also sent us out a shirt as well. So here, Preston, this one's yours.
Yeah.
And there you have it, a jam handle shirt. Hey Preston, you got one of those shirts from me or what? Whoa, right on. Alright, now let's get these things installed. So like I said, I have these on my truck. Once you have them on the truck and you get used to them, you no longer close the door with your hand on the outside. You get totally used to this. I got so used to it to where on my work truck where I don't have them, I always got to reach for them, but they're not there, obviously. All right, so step one to this whole process, this very, very hard install, maybe the hardest install in the truck, is you're going to clean the area, and then we'll get them thrown on. And just like that, they're on the truck. Definitely a very hard, complicated install. And they're as simple as just grabbing the door like I showed you before, and there you have it. Super simple, but like I said, those things are really nice. I like them a lot. I use them all the time. I have them on this truck like you just saw. I don't have them on the work truck, so every time I'm in the work truck and I get out of it, I go to reach for them, and my hand just slips because I don't have them there. But you get really used to having them. They're really convenient. Simple little touch to the truck, but like I said, they'll keep all the fingerprints off the outside of your paint, which is really awesome. Alright guys, and with that, it's going to be a wrap on another video. It was kind of a short one, but we wanted to make a video on the jam handles, and also we had some other stuff to do, so we threw it in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to shoot it a thumbs up. Go down below if you're new here and hit that subscribe button. Share this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any question. There'll be a link in the description to the jam handles. Shout out to Jam Handles for hooking Preston's truck up with a set, and also the shirts. Follow Preston's truck page. He's doing a giveaway here at 30K. And we also might be doing a giveaway with a set of jam handles, and I might also have a discount code coming. By the time this video goes up, if I got it, I'll put it on the screen here. If not, check them out, link in the description below. Follow us on Instagram, also in the description below, and we'll see you next time.